happy, got a smile on my face, little sunshine that you can't erase. I'm happy, I can levitate, got a bounce on my step, it's a golden day. I'm happy, yeah, nothing can turn me blue. Look at me, look at me, look at me, ah yeah, look at me, baby, don't look back. Look at me, look at me, look at me, ah yeah.
Maganda po ang pangalan.
Got me smile, 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 smile. I'm lucky, come and sail away. Got a couple more memories to make. I'm lucky, ain't a better way. We don't need a reason, we can celebrate. I'm happy, yeah, nothing can turn me blue.
Welcome to Johan's first birthday!
Take me to the top. Yeah, I gotta live my life like I've only got one try. Said I had a dream last night, looking in the people's eyes. Suddenly the crowd was right, singing my songs.
Nakuha namin yung pangalan ni Johan sa Bible na ang ibig sabihin ng Johan ay God is gracious.
No nights cold, but every good morning, when I'm living my life with you here by my side.
Pinalong ni Jesus ang mga bata, ipinatong ang kanyang mga kamay sa kanila at pinagpala sila.
Like nights cold, but every good morning. Whoa, oh, oh.
Ang wish ko sa'yo ay maging mabuting tao ka at maging ano ka lang, masayahin. Mahal ka
I
namin.
know everything takes time, waiting as the days go by. Got myself a lemon slice and a piece of apple pie. Might as well love
Si Johan yung blessing na hindi namin naasahan pero binigay sa amin ni Lord. Sunod-sunod yung blessing namin tapos si Johan yung pinaka-the best na binigay sa amin.
no nights cold, but every good morning, when I'm living my life with you here by my side. You can't take my happiness away.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Johan! Happy birthday!
You find out that you don't like anyone when you can't see what's around you anymore.
Mga kapatid, lumuhog tayo sa poong may kapal upang magiliw niyang kalingain ang batang bibinyagan, ang kanyang mga magulang, mga ninong at ninang,
Look those getting brighter around the cut, loosen your grip on the things that don't matter.
Mahal na mahal ka namin ng mami mo, susuportahan ka namin kahit anong gusto mo, basta masaya ka. Hanggang sa paglaki mo, nandito lang kami lagi sa tabi ng mami mo. Mahal ka namin.
Nights cold, but